Hello everyone, welcome to Devrat Knowledge Villa. You are watching our English video series of Computer Network and learning basics of Computer Network. And today we are going to discuss network topology. Till today, we have discussed network edge and network core. Whenever we have discussed network edge and core, so in that case, we have discussed various examples of network like that is our home network, it is a mobile network, it is enterprise network. So guys, if you will look about this network, so there are various types of elements are connected with each other. So if we want to define the topology of network, so we can say that topology is an arrangement of elements. How we are going to arrange these different elements inside the network, that thing is known as a topology of network. Look like some of the end systems are connected with the routers. Here some of the end systems are connected wireless, and here it is connected through the wire. So topology should be a physical topology or a logical topology. Physical topology look like how these devices are connected with each other. If we will look about the logical topology, so it will represent about the data transfer or a data flow. So hope you are understanding what is topology. So guys, at that time we have categorized our types of network into three categories. First one, that was a local area network LAN. Second one, metropolitan area network MAN, and third one, wide area network. If you are still remain to watch that video of earlier session, so you can click on I button and you can watch that earlier session and come back here to understand the topology of network. So let's start network topology. As per our discussion, there is two types: physical network topology, or it should be a logical network topology. Physical topology means whatever the components are connected as elements, and logical topology, it will represent the data flow in between one network to another network, or from one element to another element. In terms of components, if we will look, so there are a number of devices like computer systems, routers, switch, hubs. These are the devices of computer network, and it is can be considered as a components of physical topology. Another thing, that is cables. Look like we can use the several types of cables like coaxial cables, twisted pair cable, optical fibers. So whenever we will discuss the transmission media, so in detail we will discuss types of cables during the guided media. Another thing, location of a network. As per our discussion, we have categorized LAN, MAN, and WAN. So suppose we are considering for the single company or a single campus, so it should be a local area network. So depends on local area network, we have to choose the number of components or elements. Like if we want to expand our network with the entire city, so we have to choose the components with the higher capacities or higher configurations. Get it? Another thing, in terms of logical topology, if we will consider, so elements we can consider like distance between two nodes. Like we are sending a data from source to destination, so whenever data will travel from source to destination, so it will pass away from the various number of elements or components. So whenever data is traveling from one node to another node, these are the intermediary node, it means intermediary points. So whatever the distance between two points, intermediary node, or whatever the distance between sender to receiver, this thing is known as a logical topology. Another thing, that is a signal type. In terms of unguided media, whenever we will discuss, so we will discuss wireless communications with the radio waves, microwaves, infrared. So which type of signal we are going to use for the data carrier. So this thing is known as a logical topology. Another thing, transmission rate. Whenever we are transmitting the data to someone, so on how much rate we are going to transmit the data. Look like whenever you are using the internet, so you have listened the word like you are accessing the internet with the speed of 10 mbps or 1 gbps. So these are the bandwidth of data. So transmission rate we can consider in terms of logical topology. Let's see. First, we will start with the physical topology, and we will see for the local area network. So, if we will consider local area network, so we can implement few topologies for the LAN. Look like bus topology. In terms of bus topology, we will use one backbone cable, and then after we will connect number of end system with that particular cable. Second one, that is the star topology. In terms of star topology, we will use one hub and we will connect number of end systems with central hub. Next one is a ring topology. In terms of ring topology, we will connect a number of end systems in a circular ring. And last one is a mesh topology. In that case, we will connect all of the devices or end system with one-to-one connection. So these are the topologies for the local area network. If we will make combination of one or two topology or more than two topology, so we can generate one hybrid topology also. So these are the various types of topology for local area network. So whenever we will discuss in detail topology, so we will discuss one by one about all topologies. We will make a separate video session for each topology. So stay connected with the Devruth Knowledge Villa. Thank you very much.